Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell to see all my future uploads. So today guys, we are going to be just refreshing my hair color. I said in a previous video that I would do this video for you guys, so here we are. If you want to see how I refresh my color, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I'm starting off on some dirty hair. I would just like to point out the fact that look at my curls, man. My curls look so good, okay? But guess what? My hair is so freaking dirty. Like, the disrespect, the audacity, okay? So we're starting off on dirty hair. You do not have to wash your hair to like refresh or dye or anything like that. I never do. But you are going to need some hair clips, some gloves of course, and you're going to need a bowl. And I also have like this brush. I don't really use it, but I use it to stir. And you're also going to need your dye. I'm using the oh my god, I had a whole brain for it. Everything will be down below, you guys, because literally I forgot the name of this dye. Like, what is going on with my brain right now? But y'all see it. Y'all know what dye this is. I'm using cinnamon and I'm also using Cajun Spice. And this is my third time. Well, this is my second time refreshing. Third time using the color. So I got three good use out of these. And it works out. So I'm just clipping away hair. We're gonna start in the back as always. You guys, if you hear these birds, child, they doing a thing out there, okay? I might have to close my window, but they loud as hell. So we are just starting in the back. At first I was just applying the dye all over the section, and then I go in and I like actually focus on a smaller section at one time. So all I'm doing is applying the dye to the ends of my hair because that's where the color is. There is no point of me applying the dye to my roots. I tried that my second round. There's no point because it doesn't show. So yeah, that's that. I thought about bleaching the ends of my hair again, like doing it all over again just to have that brightness, but I don't know. I'm kind of ready for something different, so I was just gonna let this grow out. But majority of this video, you guys, I'm just going to be applying the dye to my hair and just twisting it. And yeah, I will I come back? I probably won't come back, but yeah. Alright you guys, so this is what the hair is looking like once I wash my hair out and shampoo the hair as well. You really can't tell, I can't really tell that I added more color because my hair is wet, but once my hair dries I will be able to tell, as well as you'll be able to tell that I applied color and that my color is a little bit more vibrant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my hair mask, just go through my normal wash day routine. And if you have not seen that previous video, I have done a wash day routine video on my channel. I'm just going to do that, you guys, and I'm just going to come back with a different clip to show you guys what my hair looks like once it has fully dried, because right now you cannot tell because it's wet and it all looks dark. So I will be providing that clip for you next. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how my color turned out. It's definitely more vibrant than it was before. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe if you have not. And as always, I will see y'all in my next video.